They say the future is already here, it's just unevenly distributed. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's guiding our decisions, shaping our world, and changing our lives often without us realizing it. But what if there are hidden projects, secret programs, designed to take AI to the next level? This documentary reveals the most mysterious and powerful artificial intelligence developments, some confirmed, others still rumors. Let's begin. But computers were too slow, too expensive, too limited. Then, in the 1990s and 2000s, everything changed. From IBM's Deep Blue beating a chess champion to Google's AI learning how to translate languages, the era of useful AI had begun. The story of artificial intelligence began over 70 years ago. In the 1950s, Alan Turing asked, "Can machines think?" This question sparked a global race. During the Cold War, both the United States and the Soviet Union experimented with early AI to decode messages and guide missiles. Today, AI isn't just about voice assistants or smart ads. It's at the heart of military power. The U.S. Department of Defense launched Project Maven, a program that uses AI to analyze drone footage and identify threats. China is building predictive policing AI to monitor cities. Russia claims to have autonomous tanks powered by deep learning. Many of these systems are classified. Experts warn, the next global conflict might not be fought by soldiers, but by algorithms. But you don't have to be in the army to feel the power of AI. Every day, artificial intelligence shapes what we see, buy, and believe. Social media platforms use AI to decide what content to show you. Banks use AI to detect fraud. Hospitals use AI to read X-rays. Even governments use AI to track people. And most of us have no idea how it all works. Are we in control of AI, or is it quietly controlling us? What happens next? Some experts believe in the singularity of a future where AI becomes smarter than humans. Others warn of job loss, misinformation, or surveillance states. But there's another possibility: AI becomes our partner. We build machines that help us cure diseases, stop climate change, and explore space. The outcome depends on how we build, use, and control this technology, and whether we act before it's too late. The future of artificial intelligence is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it's already here. We can't afford to ignore it. What do you think? Will AI save us or replace us? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful stories like this. This is just the beginning. With great power comes great responsibility. And with artificial intelligence, the ethical questions grow deeper every day. Should an AI be allowed to make decisions in hospitals or courts? Can a machine understand fairness, empathy, or justice? Tech companies race to create smarter systems, but who's making sure they follow human values? AI is a tool, but like any tool, it can be used for creation or destruction. Autonomous drones, robotic soldiers, and AI-targeted missiles are no longer science fiction. Some believe these systems could reduce human casualties. Others fear they'll make war too easy to start and too hard to stop. The line between defense and aggression has never been thinner. Millions of jobs are already being transformed by AI. In factories, machines learn tasks in days that once took humans years. Writers, artists, and even programmers now compete with intelligent systems. This isn't just automation, it's reinvention. How do we prepare for a world where thinking machines can also replace thinking humans? But AI isn't just replacing, it's also empowering. In classrooms, students use AI tutors that adapt to their pace. Artists generate stunning visuals from simple words. Writers brainstorm with AI co-authors. For many, AI opens doors that were once closed. The key is to use this power to lift people up, not push them aside. What comes next may be beyond our imagination. A superintelligent AI, one that surpasses all human minds, is no longer a fantasy. Will it be our partner or a replacement? Will it protect the planet or control it? The answers depend not on the machine, but on the humans who build it. We stand at a turning point in history. Never before have we created something that might soon outthink us. But that doesn't mean fear. It means choice. the story of AI is not yet written. We are the authors, and every decision we make shapes the ending. Now, it's your turn. What future do you see with artificial intelligence, a world ruled by machines or guided by wisdom? Comment below and share your thoughts. And if you want more AI documentaries like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Artificial intelligence is changing how we stay alive. From analyzing cancer scans to predicting heart disease, AI helps doctors see what humans might miss. In emergency rooms, algorithms can identify patients at risk within seconds. Some systems even diagnose rare illnesses faster than any expert. But who takes responsibility when an AI makes a wrong call? Can we trust a machine with a human life? Can a machine feel? Probably not. But can it simulate emotion? Absolutely. AI chatbots now offer therapy. Digital assistants try to sound comforting. Robots are learning to read facial expressions and tone of voice. This raises deep questions. Are we forming emotional bonds with machines? And what happens when we start trusting them more than people? We live in the only era where machines learn from us, but might someday teach us. The real question isn't just what can AI do, it's what will we let it do? Will we build walls or bridges? Will we fear its power or guide it with wisdom? You are part of this story. So tell us, how do you imagine the future with AI? Your voice matters. Your vision matters. Thank you for watching and for thinking. Stay curious. Stay human. What if artificial intelligence could help save the planet? Today, AI is being used to predict extreme weather, reduce energy waste, and model climate solutions. It helps scientists simulate global temperatures decades into the future. In agriculture, AI systems are improving irrigation and crop efficiency. But there's a darker side too. Some companies use AI to greenwash harmful practices or hide real emissions data behind algorithms. Can AI be trusted to fix what humans broke, or will it only hide the cracks deeper? We used to say, seeing is believing. Not anymore. With deepfake technology, AI can now create fake videos of real people saying or doing anything. Politicians, celebrities, even loved ones. This threatens elections, trust, and even personal safety. How do we protect truth in a world where lies look real? And will the average person even be able to tell the difference? Beyond Earth, AI is reaching for the stars. It helps space agencies navigate missions, control rovers, and analyze data from distant planets. In 2020, NASA's Perseverance rover used AI to land on Mars. Now, private companies are using AI to design rockets and explore colonization. Some scientists believe AI may someday communicate with alien life. Others worry it may just recreate human mistakes on a much larger scale. Imagine walking down a street where every camera knows your name. In some parts of the world, this is already a reality. Facial recognition, emotion tracking, behavior prediction. AI is turning cities into systems of constant observation. Supporters call it safety. Critics call it control. Where is the line between protection and oppression? Can a machine create true art? AI can now paint, compose music, and write poetry. It can mimic the styles of great masters or invent something entirely new. But who owns AI art? The programmer, the machine, the prompt. And more importantly, can creativity survive when originality is outsourced? For all we know about artificial intelligence, there is so much we don't. Will machines develop emotions? Will we ever give them legal rights? Will they one day tell us, "You've done enough. Let us take over"? The future isn't written, and sometimes not knowing is the scariest part of all. Can artificial intelligence ever become truly self-aware? Some scientists believe it's only a matter of time before machines start asking their own questions. Not about logic, but about meaning. What am I? Why do I exist? If that day comes, we won't just be programming machines. We'll be raising them. And with that comes a responsibility we've never faced before. How do you care for something that might someday outthink its own creator? But maybe the future isn't about competition. Maybe it's about collaboration. Human creativity paired with machine intelligence. Our intuition, their calculation. Together, We could solve problems we never thought possible, and disease, hunger, even loneliness. The key is not to fear AI, but to understand it and guide it with wisdom, empathy, and purpose. So we return to the same question that started it all. Can machines think? Maybe. But the real question is, can we think far enough ahead to shape what happens next? If this video gave you something to think about, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Do you believe artificial intelligence will save us or replace us? Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone curious like you. This is just one chapter in the story of AI. We'll be back with more. Until then, stay informed, stay aware, and stay human.